Meet Daniel, a 34-year-old office worker from Chicago. He hated Mondays, feared emails, and lived paycheck to paycheck. One rainy evening, stuck in traffic and soaked in stress, Daniel whispered something under his breath. "There has to be more to life than this." That one sentence led him down a rabbit hole of research, doubt, experiments, and eventually freedom. This is the story of how Daniel discovered 6 online passive income methods that didn't just change his bank account, they changed his life. And by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint too. It all began with a $7 overdraft fee. His checking account was in the red again. That night, Daniel searched YouTube, how to make money online. He saw scams, crypto hype, weird courses, and just when he was about to give up, he found a quote. "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die." Warren Buffett. That hit hard. Daniel made a promise to himself. He would build at least one source of passive income this year, no matter what. Daniel started with affiliate marketing. He didn't have a blog, no YouTube channel, no audience, just a laptop. So he did what most people don't. He picked a niche, home office gadgets. He signed up for Amazon Associates, created a free blog using WordPress, and every night after work he wrote one review post. After 3 months, he made his first $12 commission. It wasn't much, but it was money earned while he slept. He was hooked. Within a year, that blog made him $500 a month, without lifting a finger. Key takeaway: pick a niche you care about. Solve problems. Use SEO or Pinterest to drive free traffic. Next, Daniel tried print on demand. He couldn't draw to save his life, but he learned how to use Canva. He made 20 simple t-shirt designs with quotes like "World's okayest employee." He uploaded them to Redbubble and Teespring. Sales, 0 at first. Then one day in December, a shirt went viral on TikTok. He earned $1,100 that month passively. Lesson: you don't need to be a designer, just need trends, plus good humor, plus consistency. Daniel discovered Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Not novels, not biographies, notebooks, planners, coloring books. He created a daily gratitude journal for dads. Uploaded it, priced it at $6.99. It sat for weeks, then boom. Father's Day season hit. He sold 74 copies in a week. No printing, no shipping, no customer service, just passive royalty checks. Next stop, digital downloads. Daniel turned his blog knowledge into a digital PDF. Ultimate Work From Home Setup Guide, $5.99. He uploaded it to Gumroad, promoted it through his blog's email list. Every sale was pure profit. No stock, no delivery, no hassle. In 6 months, that $5.99 PDF earned him over $4,200. He stumbled upon Faceless YouTube channels. He hired a voiceover artist on Fiverr, used stock footage, scripted videos around remote jobs, tech, and productivity hacks. His channel, Modern Hustle. It wasn't instant. Took 3 months of weekly uploads. But when YouTube monetized him, the revenue came in daily. $10, then $30, then $75 per day. He reinvested into better scripts and editors, and today, that channel earns $3,000 a month, completely automated. Daniel didn't stop with active efforts. He wanted truly passive income, so he opened a brokerage account, put $100 a month into SP 500 index funds, then learned about REITs, real estate investment trusts. They paid him dividends every quarter. He reinvested them, snowball style. Today, those investments pay him $200 a month without touching a thing. 2 years later, Daniel doesn't hate Mondays anymore. In fact, he doesn't even work on Mondays. He quit his job, moved to a quieter town, and spends his mornings readings and checking his passive income dashboard. From $0 to over $7,800 a month in online passive income. He didn't have special skills. He had something better: consistency, patience, and the will to start small. You don't need to try all 6 methods today. Pick just one, start small, because the sooner you start, the sooner it becomes passive. If Daniel could do it with a laptop and determination, so can you. Comment below which method you'll try first. And if you want deep dive tutorials on each method, subscribe now and hit the bell. This might just be the video that changes your life.